Okay, today we are going to test the off-roading capabilities of my Dominar 400 2018. But the interesting fact is, I have the PFB Customs fork risers installed in my Dominar. You can see that the fork is much more higher, like 2 inches more from both the sides, and so the ground clearance has been increased a lot. Okay, let's go to some off-roading track nearby my home and let's test it out. By the way, I forgot to give my intro. Hello guys, what's up? This is your guy VR and you're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Mission Ready Vlogs. So today I came up with one more concept with my Bajaj Dominar 400. Okay, let's go through this tunnel first. I have to bend first. Look at my sound, bike sound. Wait, let me hear you. How is it? How does the sound? So today I am going to show you some off-roading with my Bajaj Dominar. With PFB Customs, voila. So I just want to do some off-roading with my Dominar. So this is the off-roading track, my private off-roading track. Yeah. Let's start it. Let's take a U-turn from here again. I don't know if you saw this. యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ అని చూసుకో, ఫోన్ ఉంటాయి ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి చూడు. ఇదే రెస్టారెంట్ బ్లాగ్స్ అని ఉంటుంది. సరే నోడొస్తావు, ఇలా కనిపిస్తావు. చలో బాయ్. రికార్డ్ అయింది, సూపర్ ఫుటేజ్. Dominar, your next level with off-roading with this PFB Customs handle raisers, sorry, suspension raisers to be precise. Excellent. excellent work. The ground clearance has been increased a lot. I can just glide over the bumps. And I am doing all this because I am already losing my oil.